Okay, so good morning. It's me with no makeup and a serious case of bedhead. We're not gonna focus on that. I'm gonna put the camera right here. I wanted to show you, obviously I'm still swollen, but I couldn't yesterday in the office because I had the compression garment on. This will go down still quite a bit, but this is what I look like 11 days after surgery. I mean, there's no bruising, there's nothing. So I am pretty thrilled with the whole thing. I still have some swelling right here and right here because he did a little bit of lipo there that will go down. And then this area especially was like cut, lifted up, reconstructed, and put back down. So it's still swollen, but I just want you to see like how smooth it is. That's the ticket. Guys are gonna be like, whatever. But women who have had 3 kids, like, you know what I'm talking about. Like, you bend over. I used to say when I bend over, it was like an accordion. And it's just, it's tight and it's back together the way it was. So this is just a progress photo at 11 days. So I'll do one at about 2.5 weeks. I think in another 2 weeks, I'm gonna be beach ready. I think all this will go down and it's gonna look really good. So this was a major surgery. I mean, he repaired a hernia. He stitched all my abs back together that had separated. He made a bikini line incision from here to here. It's very thin. And then he pulled it all down. And I'm even starting to see like where I had the ab definition back in the day. So I'm super, super excited. I mean, I couldn't be any happier. It's just, I wish I would have done it 5 years ago. And sorry about no makeup and no hairbrush, but it looks best in the morning because you haven't moved around, and sometimes as the evening progresses, you tend to swell a little bit. And I got to get my compression garment back on, but